Class 12 students, I am doing differentiation from your book, that is Suranjan Saha and Shobita Saha book, exercise 7.4b, differentiation. This is 1 part 2, y equal to 5x by 3 root over of 1 minus x cube plus cos square 2x plus 1. This sum we can do directly, because you see here it is 5 by 3 x into this one you take in the numerator, it is 1 minus x to the power 3 by 2. After going in the numerator it will be minus 3 by 2, because 3 by 2 will going up and will be minus 3 by 2, and this one same. Now if you differentiate both sides with respect to x, this one you need to write full sentence. Dy dx equal to this one constant, so it will be outside, u into v differentiation, u into v differentiation, that is x is u and 1 minus x whole to the power 3 by 2 is v. So u into d dx of this. So d dx of this means x to the power n formula apply, n into, that is 3 by 2 into x to the power n minus 1, that is 1 minus x to the power n minus 1. This is n minus 1. And 1 minus x you have considered as x. Again its differentiation into d dx of 1 minus x. So d dx of 1 is 0 and d dx of minus x is minus 1. Plus, so here u d dx of v plus v. V means this one, v. This one is v. d dx of u. d dx of u means d dx of x, that is 1. Plus cos 2x plus 1 whole to the power 2, that is 2 into cos 2x plus 1 whole to the power 2 minus 1 into cos 2x plus 1 you have considered as x. So d dx of cos x, that is minus sin x, into d dx of 2x minus 1, that is 2 into 1 plus 0. So I have written 2 only. So you simplify this and that will be the answer. Now this one direct, if you differentiate, then log, this one will be wrong, because d dx of log x we know 1 by x, but in that case base should be e, but here our base is 10. So we cannot apply direct log x formula 1 by x. That is why we have to apply formula log m base n equal to log m by log n. So log m base n equal to log m base e by log n base e. This formula we have applied. So this is m. So I have written log m base e. This is n. So I have written log n base e, that is log 10 base e. This one as it is. Now see, log 10 base e is constant. So if you take in the numerator, it will be log e base 10. See here I have written log e base 10. Because if you change the position, then base and power will be interchanged. Then this one as it is. Now the base is e. You can write or cannot. That is no problem. Now apply formula. If you differentiate both sides, here you have to write differentiating both sides with respect to t, not x, with respect to t. With respect to x it will be. So log x, again this is x. So formula is 1 by x into d dx of x, means d dx of this one. So d dx of this one, this to the power half. So half into this to the power half minus 1. Half minus 1 is minus half. Again d dx of x minus x differentiation 1 and a differentiation 0, that I have not written here. Again this one, this to the power half means half into this to the power half minus 1, that is minus half. again ddx of this. So ddx of x is 1 and ddx of b is 0. I have not written. And this is a to the power x formula. A to the power x formula, a to the power x into log a base e. Since this is considered as a x, so again its differentiation. X square differentiation is 2x. Just simplify and you will get the answer. Now see, this sum, one special technique is there. You can write e to the power log e this. So this to the base e to the power log this base e, we can write this equal to. Why? Because one formula e to the power log x base e equal to only x. What is the formula? E to the power log x base e is equal to only x. This is the formula of logarithm. What I write? E to the power log x base e is equal to x. So see, e to the power log x, x means this one, this thing. Base e equal to x means this thing only. Now see, similarly this one also can be written e to the power log e, and this we can write. Now see, next line what I did, in case of log, if anything has power, it jump and come here. Here also this is power, so it will come, jump and come here. That I have written here. Sin y, e to the power sin y log x base e. Here e to the power cos x log y base e. Now one profit we got here, if we wrote in this way, see, e to the power x formula we have, this circled one I consider x. So e to the power x into this one, e to the power x into ddx of this. Now ddx of this means e into v differentiation. So sin y into ddx of log x means 1 by x plus log x into sin y differentiation cos y dy dx plus now this one. Again e to the power x, that is e to the power x into uv formula, differentiation of this one uv formula. So cos x into ddx of log y is 1 by y into dy dx plus log y into ddx of cos x is minus sin x, and that one differentiation is 0. Now see here, next line I have not written because you can do the sum now. Let me explain it. You multiply this one with this one, this one with this one, again this one with this one, and this one with this one. So you will get this term with dy dx and this term with dy dx. So these two terms take a left hand side and other two terms in the right hand side. Then from left side you take dy dx common, and right side nothing will be there, that same it will be. And next dy dx keep in the left hand side, other things you send in the right side in the division form. So that will be the answer. Next, this sum, we have to differentiate this with respect to tan inverse z. So I consider y equal to this, let y equal to this. Then if we calculate dy dz, then we have to differentiate this with respect to this. So I consider let y equal to this and let z equal to this. Then if we find dy dz, then our sum will be done. See, at last we find dy dz. So this is our requirement. In the question it is told differentiate this with respect to this. That's why I find y equal to this, z equal to this. I'll consider. Then if I find dy dz, then the sum will be done. That is why I consider z equal to this. That means here if you change x equal to tan z. So x equal to tan z you put 1 plus tan square z minus 1. So 1 plus tan square z is sec z. Sec square z, root and square cancel, so sec z minus 1 by tan z. Now sec means 1 by cos, tan means sin by cos. Do LCM 1 by cos, sin by cos, then it will come this. Now 1 minus cos z formula 2 sin square z. This is sub multiple angle formula. 1 minus cos z equal to this. Sin z can be written as 2 sin z by 2 cos z by 2. Now 1 sin z by 2 sin z by 2 cancel. So sin by cos, that is tan z by 2 left. Now tan inverse tan cancel, z by 2 left. Now y equal to z by 2. If you differentiate both sides with respect to z, then here dy dz equal to half into d dz of z, that is 1. So that is half answer. Now see, y equal to tan inverse this plus sin log x. See, cos x by 1 plus sin x I am doing. Cos x means cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. This is submultiple angle formula. 1 plus sin x, 1 place you can write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, and sin x place you can write 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So denominator will be sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square, and numerator a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b. The plus 1 and lower 1 you cut. So what is left? Cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Now here you divide by cos x by 2 everyone. So cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 will be 1. Sin x by 2 by sin x by 2 will be tan x by 2. Sorry, sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 will be tan x by 2. Cos x by 2 by cos x by 2 will be 1. Sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 will be tan x by 2. Now this one place you write tan pi by 4, that is 45 degree. Value is 1, that is why. Tan x by 2 here. 1 plus here 1 extra 1 you can write. In place of 1 you can write tan pi by 4. So tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b formula. That is tan a minus b. Tan pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this one you write here. See. So y equal to tan inverse tan this plus sin this. Now if you differentiate, this is cancelled. Only pi by 2 minus x by 2 left, and this is sin log z left. If you differentiate, then it is coming. This is constant, so it will be 0. This is minus half into x differentiation 1. And sin x differentiation cos x into d dx of log x is 1 by x. So that is the answer. Now see, we have to find dy dx. Y equal to this, x equal to tan theta if you consider. Then here it is half sec. Now sec inverse will be cos inverse. 1 minus x square will go up, and 1 plus x square will go down. Now if you put x equal to tan theta, then 1 minus tan square by theta by 1 plus tan square theta will be cos 2 theta. See, cos 2 theta. Now cos inverse cos 2 theta will be 2 theta only. So 2 theta and half into 2 theta, half 2 cancel theta only. Then theta equal to tan inverse x from here. So that you write here. And here log x base cos x will be log x by log cos x. That formula log m base n equal to log m base c divided by log n base c. So base c I have not written here. You can write or cannot, that is different thing. So here you apply u by v formula. Here u by v formula. V square v dx of u minus u dx of v up to this. And this one will be plus. Actually this have to write there. After giving plus sign, you have to write here it is. That is the answer. That's all for this video.